You got my heart, and I hope you don't rip it apart. We've been vibing so hard from the start. Yeah, you got my heart, baby, ride for me. Baby, ride for me. Take your time with me, slow wine with me, yeah. Slow wine with me, yeah. I love the way you show affection.
Hello babes, so as you guys know from my past videos, I cut my hair and I bleached it. So I'm just gonna take you guys through how I touch up my hair. I am gonna go in first with coconut oil to protect my hair since I'm gonna be re-bleaching it. And then you see me here with a paper towel just kind of patting it down because there was a lot of coconut oil on my hair. I'm gonna go in with 20 volume developer and some quick blue bleach, but don't forget to protect yourself because the bleach is very strong. And then I'm just gonna go in and bleach my hair, and I bleached my hair twice. I showed once on camera, but I did bleach it twice so that I can get it more blonde around the color that I originally had it. Once my hair was done bleaching, I went ahead and washed it out, and then I just proceeded to line up my hair in the back. I don't really like lining up my hair in the front because I don't like how it looks like. But anyways, this is my first time cutting my own hair, y'all, and I think I did a bomb job for the first time. I was super nervous, but it came out pretty good. And a side note, I did trim my hair down off camera, so right here it's a level 3 I think, but I went down to a level 1 later on. So in addition to prepping my hair, I went ahead and prepped my face with a turmeric mask, and if you are not hip to one, you need to get hip. It is so nice because it like brightens my skin, leaves it even, removes all my pores, makes it baby soft. And yeah, I do this every single time. Like I don't know, it just brings life to my face. And I'm leaving the mask on while I'm braiding down my hair, my leave out at the top. But the thing is, the mask is supposed to harden, but it was so hot with my ring light and the natural sunlight that it started melting off my face. But regardless, when I wash it off, my skin was still popping. So yeah, y'all need to get hip to a turmeric mask, okay? Okay.
You know I let her count my paper. Just me and you ain't gotta worry about a hater. Cause you got my heart, yeah. When you be with your friends, you be talking all this nonsense.
Okay, you guys already know I have to be Amazon's like #1 customer at this point. I use it for everything, but I purchased 3 of these clip-ins, and you guys, they're so perfect. So they're from Difey, and they are Afro Kinky Curly clip-ins in the color 27 and 613. I purchased 3 of them. Three is enough to fit the top of my head. So I go ahead and just clip them in, obviously, and then bobby pin it so it's not flopping all over the place. And then bobby pin the perimeter of my head to cover down my braid pattern. But yeah, you guys, this hair is so poppin'. It matches my blonde hair perfectly. People always think this is my natural hair. I fool people every single day of my life, and it's so simple and easy to use. I usually take them off at night before I go to sleep to preserve the curls. And the #1 main reason why I love them so much is because styling my actual natural hair does not work, because with the heat and the humidity it just ends up puffing up within an hour or so, but this just stays popping and curly forever. So get hip, get you some. Moving on to my face, prepped it with my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Y'all already know about it. And then I hit you with that Estee Lauder foundation in 5N2. It matches my skin so perfectly.
And I hope you don't rip it apart. We've been vibing so hard from the start. Yeah, you got my heart, baby, ride for me. Baby, ride for me.
And along with my foundation, I'm trying something new. I've been using another foundation and using it as a concealer. So I use my Maybelline Matte in 340 Cappuccino as my concealer. And the reason I did this is because like I feel like sometimes foundations, especially this Maybelline one, it just smooths so much better than actual concealer, which can be thick and then cause your makeup to be cakey. But yeah, I like this combination way better. I'm using my Airspun to just set my face very lightly. I really wanted this to just be a very light, natural look to just complement the blonde hair. And then using my NYX bronzer to contour. And then I swear y'all, I'm buying new highlighter. Okay, don't come for my life, but yeah, that's my Forever 21 highlighter. I went ahead and did my eye look off camera. So I went in with a deep brown to contour my lid and then added this pretty foil to complement that. And then went in with my INV lashes in the style 111. Very glam, but it brings the eyes together. And then I went in with my nude lip liner and then topped it off with gloss because y'all know I cannot do a look without any lip gloss. I'm addicted. Set my face. Otherwise, that is it. This look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple but glam get ready with me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And as always, see you guys in the next video. Mwah.
Cause you got my heart, yeah. When you be with your friends, you be talking all this nonsense.